Hi, I'm Charlie. I'm a relative of Tom and I'm going to be helping out with the next few videos counting down the most expensive streets in Barking. Today is number 14 on the list, which is William Street. There are 20 houses with just over a combined value of £10.9 million. This puts the average house price at just under £546,000. This area is tucked away close to the train station. Next up on the list is number 13.